Hello everyone. Today our topic is inheritance in Python. Inheritance is one of the fundamental attributes of object-oriented programming. It allows us to define a child class that reuses or inherits the behavior of the parent class. The class whose members are inherited is called the base class or the parent class. The class that inherits the members of the base class is called the child class or the derived class. The general syntax of inheritance is as follows. We define the parent class as usual with the body of the parent class. Then we can create a child class by including the name of the parent class as a parameter in the child class. After that, the body of the child class follows. Inheritance enables us to define a class that takes all the functionality from a parent class and allows us to add more. The main advantages of inheritance are it helps developers to reuse the objects. Each time a class inherits the base class, it gets access to the parent object's functionality. Inheritance reduces redundancy of the code. The creation of class libraries becomes easy. Suppose, for example, that we have the class car with self number equals car ID, model, car model, and self year equals year. And we have the function print car. Now we can create instances or objects of this class. After that, we can print the object. So from the program, we'll have the C1 and C2 objects printed. Next, a child class Office1 is created. Here we have the parent class car. We use the pass keyword when we do not want to add any other properties or methods to the class. Here C3 is created as an instance of the child class Office1. And we can use the print car method defined in the parent class here. So from the program, these two instances are defined in the parent class, and this instance is defined in the child class. We can add the int function to the child class instead of the pass keyword. When we add the int function, the child class will no longer inherit the parent's int function. So the child int function overrides the inheritance of the parent's int function. Suppose the int function, the child class, is defined to include these attributes. Here, a separate print office function is also defined in the child class. C3 is created as an object in the child class. C3.printCar will use the printCar function defined in the parent class. C3.printOffice will use the printOffice function defined in the child class. So from the program, according to C3.printCar, we'll have this output, and according to C3.printOffice, we'll have this output. So in brief, the child class inherits the attributes of its parent class, and we can use these attributes as if they were defined in the child class. A child class can also override data members and methods from the parent. We can define as many child classes as we need. For example, in a programming team, a child class may be created for each developer in the team. For today, that's all. Thank you.